about to go, yo. Shorty dropping low to pick it up, she like a yo-yo. And I'm getting so much action.
What's going on, man? You already know what it is,
TV and we back with another video, man.
Look, see what the fuck I got in my hand. You already.
I'm a boss ass bitch.
What I'm saying, you already know how he getting down in the we in Walmart with it, y'all. Look, to show y'all around, man. We in Walmart with it. Come on, man. Shit gonna be crazy, man. But look, we got a little squirt channel, you feel me? Little squirt channel, you feel me? See how that goes. You know what I'm saying? I got this big ass hoodie on because I gotta hide this little bitch. She don't got nothing to hide in it. He fucked right up. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, bruh.
Excuse me.
Oh, damn. I'm finna fuck him.
I'm scared. Oh, wait, I just sneezed on me.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright. I was just making sure. Hey, just, it was a prank.
Oh.
What?
Oh. You did good.
like the turquoise one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Sneeze on me.
It's a me, Mario.
Look at the top of his head.
Sneeze on me. Jesus Christ.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Is that your buddy?
I don't know. I'm so sorry, man.
Man.
I'm so sorry.
You sneezed on me.
I'm so sorry, man.
Man, it is nasty.
Let me see. I'm so sorry.
Doing it again. Look. Come on, man.
I'm sorry.
Look, come here.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at it. Look at that.
Dude, I didn't know. I didn't know.
Look at this shit.
This guy just sneezed on me.
Yeah, look. Take a picture and post on it. Take his picture and post on it. Gotcha, bitch.
Go.
No.
What? What I did? I sneezed on you, sir? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, sir. It's just a prank. It's just water. It's just water. That's all that is.
What kind of shoes you use?
Something for, my mama said something over.
Oh man. Dude, I'm bad, bro. My bad, brother. You good, man? You wanna go get your napkin, dude? I'm sorry, bro. I'll wipe it off for you, man. Hey, there you go, dude. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, bro. I've been sneezing all day. Hey, my man.
I just wanna be left alone.
It was a prank. It was a prank.
I got me fucked up, man. I'm trying to buy some shoes for work. I'm fucking pranking. Don't put me on no fucking YouTube, bro.
He said, y'all fucking pranking me. He said, he's trying to find you where y'all fucking pranking. No. What movie you think about this? Oh, you seen Apollo 11? It's a really good movie.
Oh, was it?
Oh, yeah. Yes, indeed.
That's about space, though, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
But
I don't care for those.
Oh, you don't care for
No.
those?
No, I don't care for those. I was actually looking for Medea's movie, her last one. God bless.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I sneeze on you?
That's all right. That's not no problem.
You sure?
It wasn't like you sneezed on my face.
Autobots, transform and roll out.
So it's not a big deal.
I'm sorry. But
That's all right,
yeah,
yeah.
like Project I don't even know how to pronounce that. I had seen it. What is it called?
Something like that. I don't know.
You like Marvel movies?
No.
Oh, you don't like Marvel?
None of those like that. I'm old-fashioned. I like these old-fashioned movies.
Oh, old-fashioned movie.
Thank you, though.
No, yeah, just looking for something good to watch.
I know, huh? Gotta watch something sometime.
Nothing scary though.
No. I used to. I know.
Yeah, from my computer or something.
I know this ugly ass nigga didn't just sneeze on me.
Bro, why you did that? You gotta cover your mouth.
You want it? I'm gonna go get your towel. Excuse me? Hey, no. Look. It was a prank.
Girl, you wasn't finna say shit. Nigga had your ass in a chokehold.
Yeah, I'm
I need a bent for college, man. For LSU.
Dude, come on, bro. Dude, that's gross, man.
What I did? Sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me.
Stupid bald head ass boy. Stupid ass nigga.
It don't matter, bro.
My bad, bro. I really didn't mean.
What the fuck was that?
My allergies.
Your allergies? You sneezed on me? Stink too.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The fuck? Say,
My-
son. Your bad?
My bad.
It's called excuse me, bro. Go give me some tissue or something. You need to holler at one of these people, go give me a napkin or something. Wipe my fucking arm off. And go wash your mouth out with this, boy. You stink.
My bad.
Look what? You got probably got a booger on my arm. It's really not funny.
It might be a little funny. It's just.
It might be a little, it might be.
I don't know what I be easy when I take that, you gotta